Well, I couldn't, I mean, it only
Let's
allowed me to do one, two, three,
let's have a look. I know that there is, if you use the arrow keys, it increments 1 hour at a time, but I'm pretty sure since I just did a whole bunch of screenshots for the user manual, and in my screenshots I have um, weird numbers of hours. So if I use the up and down arrows here, it's just increments in one, but I should be able to put in 1.5.
Oh, okay, so you can manually, I didn't try that, so, all
Yeah,
right.
yeah. The up and down arrows, there some people like them, some don't. Like if I go in here and I use the arrow key, it also bumps it up and down by an hour. Some people like that, some people don't. I usually just go in there and just type over it with whatever I need.